Welcome to EJF Academy. I'm Dr. Geetanjali. Today I will tell you how you can do self-preparation for UPSC Geography Optional and what are the best books which you have to study for the Geography Optional. So let's see what is the syllabus of the Geography. So there are two papers in it, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 1 includes Physical Geography, in which Unit 1 is Geomorphology, Unit 2 is Climatology, Unit 3 is Oceanography, Unit 4 is Biogeography, Unit 5 is Environmental Geography. Then there is Part 2 of Paper 1, which includes Human Geography. Its first unit is Perspectives in Human Geography, and Unit 2 is Economic Geography. Then third is Population and Settlement Geography. Fourth is Regional Planning. Fifth is Models, Theories, and Laws in Human Geography. Then there is Paper 2, which includes Geography of India, in which the first unit is Physical Setting, second Resources, third Agriculture, then Industry, Transport, Communication and Trade, Cultural Setting, Settlements, Regional Development and Planning, Political Aspects, and Contemporary Issues. So for each unit, you have to refer different books. So first three units are Geomorphology, Climatology, and Oceanography. For these three units, you have to study only this single book. This book is sufficient for it, and you have to revise it again and again. All the facts are given very well in this book, and it will create a very strong base for Geography Optional. Then fourth unit is Biogeography. This unit includes many topics related to soils like genesis of soil, classification of soil, soil profile, soil erosion, degradation and conservation. For this unit, this book, Physical Geography by Richard H. Bryant, you have to read this. This is the best book for this unit. Then next is Environmental Geography. For this, you have to study Shankarayya's book, Environment. In this book, all the environmental facts are presented in very good manner. So you have to go through this book. Then part 2 of paper 1. This includes Human Geography. Its first unit is Perspectives in Human Geography. For this unit, you have to study these two books. First is Geographical Thoughts by R.D. Dixit, and second is Human Geography by Mazid Hussain. Then Economic Geography. You have to study this unit from internet as well as current affairs. Questions are asked from the current affairs section, like what is happening in the field of world economic development, measurement and problems, world resources and their distribution, energy crisis, world agriculture. So you have to study these topics from internet, as well as you have to stay updated with current affairs for this section. Then Population and Settlement Geography. For this, you have to study the book Human Geography by Mazid Hussain. You have to study only some selected chapters from this book, in which all these topics have been covered. So you have to see which topics are there in this chapter, and you have to study only those topics. Then next is Regional Planning. For this unit, you have to study these books. You have to study again these books, Geographical Thoughts by R.D. Dixit, and Human Geography by Mazid Hussain. You have to study only these chapters from these two books. Then next unit is Models, Theories and Laws in Human Geography. For this, you have to study the book Models in Geography by Mazid Hussain. Then paper 2. It is Geography of India. All the units of this paper 2 are covered in these three books. First one is India, a Comprehensive Geography by T.R. Khullar. Then Geography of India by Mazid Hussain, and Regional Planning in India by Chad and Puri. These three books cover all the units of the paper 2. Other than that, there are contemporary issues. So generally in this unit, there are current affairs. So you have to stay updated on recent developments in geography and environmental studies. For that, you have to subscribe our channel and follow all the current affairs series. That will be sufficient for this unit. Apart from that, you can also join our UPSC Geography optional course, in which you will get the entire study material in the consolidated form along with the test series. To join the course, please visit the registration link given in the description box. And for any query regarding the course, you can contact us on the given numbers.